Tineco's Carpet One Cruiser earned a 2024 SlashGear Innovation Award at the prestigious IFA Brands Showcase in Berlin. This smart device is revolutionizing carpet cleaning with a massive 130 watts of suction to remove embedded dirt and grime, plus a stain-removing attachment for tight spots. One of the biggest draws of the Carpet One Cruiser is its 3-level smooth power technology, which works with a bidirectional wheel and intelligent sensor technology. That allows the cleaner to effortlessly glide across various carpet types, adapting to the specific requirements of each surface. The iLoop Smart Sensor continuously monitors the level of dirt and then intelligently adjusts metrics like the suction power and water flow in real time. Another time-saving innovation is the 2-in-1 Space Adapt water tank. It allows you to simultaneously fill it with clean water and dispose of dirty water, and the tank is positioned to work with minimal time and effort. Once the job is done, the 167-degree Fahrenheit hot breeze power dry system significantly speeds drying times, while the 5-minute flash drying feature dries the brush roller with air heated to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid drying technology not only prevents the growth of mold and mildew, but also ensures that the Carpet One is restored and ready to go when you are. Now that's a carpet cleaning revolution.